in the weirdest time. Welcome to another vlog. This is Monday, so this is past 6 actually. This is Monday. I just uploaded my video on YouTube. If you know from the last vlog, I told you guys that Mumsy traveled, so I've been going to the shop bomba to bomba, guys. So yeah, so I just go back. I want to my baths. I'll be going out today. Today is my cousin's birthday. Happy birthday, cousin. My siblings have traveled already, so the only people around is me, my elder sister, and my cousin. So I think we're going to be going out, just go have my bath, and then let's move. So please subscribe if you haven't done that, and welcome to another vlog. Mwah.
Searching for your trace in the dark, losing myself in the endless memories of the end right from the start. You're an obsession in my head, I can't forget your eyes. Your kiss is bare, my skin, I feel so empty inside.
Tuesday. I just came out from the shop. Mom is still not back. Quickly, I just wanted to show you guys the top that was made. Okay, before that, I just want to tell you guys something. I'm really bad at going to the market and buying things, especially food stuff. No, not like provision, especially food stuff, like things for making soup or stew. Like when you talk about meats, tomatoes, I'm terrible. And I missed those days in school because I was almost always going to the market with my bestie, and she's really good at it. When we buy meat, you know that somebody went to the market to buy meat. Well guys, today I wanted to buy meat. See the kind of meat they gave to me. I went to the market, like I need to learn. Okay, so this is the top. So basically I wanted a purple of this, but then purple was not available, and then he made this one. I'm going to be leaving his handle on the screen and also on the description box. Handle is Tailor by Billard. He's a tailor and he does this stuff like printing of images on the shirts, or maybe like a write-up on the shirt. So he did this one for me. This was for 5k. Guys, this is really cute. Though I was expecting purple, but I think, let me change the light. Okay, yeah, I think this is better. This is how it came, and I actually wrote something at the back: Jesus loves you. That's what I did. Very pretty. I would have tested this, but I just came back. Once I'm done baking, I'm going to come on and then test it. But yeah, this is very pretty, and the quality looks very nice. So I'll see you all later. Okay, hi guys, good morning. So this is another day. As you can see, I'm so sorry I was not able to come back yesterday for the top review. I was so tired after making food. I was so tired I had to sleep. Okay, so just a quick one. Let me give you guys a few details about food. Okay, so just in case your food gets soured, like not soured but like a little bit soured. Okay, let me tell you guys what happened. So yesterday I made vegetable soup. After making that soup, I served everybody, yeah, my sister, my cousin, and myself. And then after that, finished watching TV, I came to sleep here. But then I woke up this morning and then I found out that the soup almost got soured. I do not know why. But then one thing I'm going to say is that just in case you make food, especially soup, stew does not have problem. But just in case you make soup, I was supposed to put that food in the fridge yesterday, but I was so tired, so I decided to just leave it and then put it in the fridge today. Just in case you make soup, after you finish serving, even if you just made that soup almost immediately and then you finish serving anybody and yourself and all of those things, try and make sure that you warm that soup again before you go to bed, or you leave it. If you are not going to put it in the fridge at that time, try to make sure you warm the soup again. So that was the first mistake. And then the second mistake, I found out that the soup was almost sour. Just in case you find out that your food is almost soured, if it's too bad, it cannot be repaired. But if it's not that bad, this is what you should do. Put the food on fire and do not cover it. If it's a soup, a stew, anything at all, do not cover the food. Allow the vapor to be going out on its own and then warm the food for a very, very long period of time. Just allow the vapor to be going out, allow the vapor to be going out, allow the vapor to be going out, and then test the food. It might be okay, it might not be okay. If it's not okay, it's what we go do. So that's what you should do just in case. So right now I'm going to put on that pillow like I said and then show you guys how it is.
I kept searching for your trace in the dark, losing myself in the endless memories of the end right from the start. You're an obsession.
So guys, please do not forget to patronize Taylor by Blood. This is the brand logo, so please do not forget to patronize it. Like I said, this is 5k and it's actually very, very amazing. I'm going to change this and then put on the clothes I want to wear to shop. We're going to move. Hi guys, so I just wanted to do a quick one before bed. I wanted to show you guys this baby wipe. I think I've shown you guys this stuff when I got it, but I just tried it. So when I came back from the shop, I used one on my face before I had my bath. Guys, this is the name is Baby Secret. It has 150 pieces inside plus 10% free, maybe like 10 extra, something like that. Guys, I have used tons of baby wipe before. If you're a makeup artist, you know you always get face wipe, but this, it's amazing, guys. Like the smell of this face wipe is amazing. You know, I'm not going to recommend shit. Nope, it's no good. I will not come here and say it. I don't know the brand. This is just something really nice, and it's not those kind of face wipe that you use and then you're like, it feels really dry. No, this is really damp. It's really, really nice. And what I'm here to emphasize on is the smell. Guys, if you've used this powder, if you've used this white powder before, it's almost like this, but it smells better than this. Like, it's really nice. The fact that it smells really nice and it lasts, just in case, this is really nice. So don't say I'm not doing anything for you. Don't say I'm not doing anything good for you. I am trying. I'm giving you guys any little good thing I see out there. I'm telling you guys about it because I've tried it. So yeah. So that's that for that. I'll be going to bed now. Okay. See you tomorrow. I don't think I'm going to shop tomorrow. Yeah. I just want to create something, some contents. So yeah, that's it. See you all. Good night. Hi loves, good morning / good afternoon. Today is Thursday, but it's almost 12. Today's my day off and I'm not going to the shop. Yay. Okay, so what is currently happening? So if you look at the floor, there's a bucket there and all of those things. My makeup brush, I want to wash that, so I'm going to be telling you guys how I wash my brush. It is really nice and easy. So just in case you are looking for a way to wash your brush, you have been washing your brush or the makeup stains have not been going out, this is a very good effective way to wash your brush and wash it clean. So I'm going to be showing you guys later. Like I said, I'm not going to the shop today. I want to create a content for Creative Connect, so it's more like a page on IG going to help creative know themselves, period. It helps them to connect to each other. Let's say I'm a creative, let's say I create YouTube, but then I want to do like a collaboration with a YouTuber, but I'm in Abuja and I really do not know YouTubers in Abuja, or I don't know small YouTubers in Abuja. So this creative content can allow me know, okay, this person is also a YouTuber, she's trying to grow her channel and she's in Abuja, so I can link up with her and then try and collaborate with her and then stuff like that basically. So it's just when creative try to know each other and then connect and create magic basically. So with time, I'm sure it's going to go bigger and all of those things, but this is just the basic and we are just starting. So I'm supposed to make a video trying to tell people about the whole creative content thing. It's just few lines that I have to say. Everything is written down already, they sent it to me, so I'm just going to do that. So basically that is the content I'm supposed to create today, but I just finished editing a video that I'm supposed to upload on Monday. Guys, you know I film with my phone, I vlog with my phone, I edit with my phone. So this phone is compiled with things, and then the storage, it's always full. So I had to edit that video. Today is Thursday, I'm going to upload on Monday, yeah, but I had to edit that video so I'll be able to delete the phone and still create space. So basically that's it. The thing is that, you know, I upload videos like once a week. Guys, I have like lots of vlogs on my phone that I have not even edited, and because I upload video once a week, I have to stick to that. I have content that I can upload for 2 times a week, but then the thing is that I don't think I can meet up with 2 times a week, guys. You know, I still have, I know I'm at home, yeah, and there's really nothing much doing, but then basically there's still things doing because I still have normal daughter duties to do, like chores and all. I'm still trying to study for my midwifery exam, so I know that if I tell myself that I want to start posting twice a week, I might not meet up. I feel I might not meet up. So I feel, if I want to start posting twice a week, I should be sure of that. I know that I am definitely going to post once a week, definitely. So just say in a week that I know that, okay, I'm so occupied and I could not create any content in that week, I still have something to upload the next week, you get, because I have content on my phone just to edit them. That's the problem. So basically that is that. So like I said, let me show you guys how to wash this brush, because I have a makeup job to do on Saturday, so I have to keep this clean Saturday. So let me show you guys how to do it. I know you're telling me thank you now, no problem, it's okay, anything for you, anything for you. Okay, so let's run into that one. As you can see, I have this drum over here. I have a bucket of water, so we're just going to rinse this first. The things we are going to be using, I have this big bowl over here, I have a bucket full of water, I have my brush. I'm just going to put this in the water. This brush over here are the ones that I hardly use, so most of them are not dirty, except for like this one over here. Guys, right now I'm just adding to it. And use oil. Not too much. Something small. Basically that is that for the brush, but I'm not going to wash it immediately. I'm going to allow it to stay there for a while, let's say 5 to 10 minutes. You can wash it immediately in case you just want to use it as quick as possible. You can wash it immediately, there is no harm, but I like leaving mine to soak for a little bit so all the dirt is going to, you understand, before I wash it. So yeah, you're welcome again. Guys, so I just finished creating for Creative Connect. I have been calling it Creative Content. Please, that's not the name. The name is Creative Connect. I'm going to be leaving the Instagram handle down below just in case you would want to follow, know what's all about. Please do, please do. I'm going to leave in the Instagram handle down below. I still want to go out to go get something and still come back today, and places in town. I'm late, I'm going to be fast. I'll see you all later. Bye. Hi guys, today is Saturday, it's past 12 and I just came back. So I told you guys I was having a makeup job today. I went for that and I came back. I made it just in time. The makeup was lovely, she loved it. And guys, I don't know, when I finished the makeup, I started feeling this pain at the left side of my wrist. It's unlike me because back then in school I've done like let's say 4 to 5 makeup in a stretch. Okay, let's not over it. I've done like 4 makeup in a stretch, and yes, I feel like okay, this waist pain and all, but I just did 1 makeup, just 1 today, and then I'm feeling this very sharp pain at the left side of my wrist. I don't know if the seat was too low or something, but yeah. And when I came back, I just laid down, but then I was like, if I keep on lying down, this pain is going to have mind to be paining me more. So I'm like, if I stand up, this pain will know that it's dealing with a boss and it's going to stop paining me. So I had to stand up and just go do what I want to do. Yeah, so that is that for that, guys.